In this video, I'm going to show you how to get money off of Cash App without using a Cash App card. It's actually pretty simple, and there are a few different ways you can still make payments even if you don't have the physical card with you. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone and tap the card icon at the bottom of the screen. If you already have a Cash App card connected to your account, you can tap the eye icon to reveal your card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can then use those details to make online purchases without needing the physical card. Another option is to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Inside Cash App, tap the option to add the card to your mobile wallet. Once added, you can tap your phone at stores that accept contactless payments. If you don't have a Cash App card at all, you can still send payments directly to people or small businesses that accept Cash App. Simply tap the $sign in the app, enter the amount, tap Pay, and send the money to their Cash App username or cash tag. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.